Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to turn off download option in Instagram. Before starting this video, please subscribe my channel. First of all, you have to open Instagram and click on plus icon and select any post. After selecting post, you have to click on top right next button. Here you have to again click on next. After that, you have to scroll down and click on more settings. Here you have to click on more options. Now here you have to scroll a little and here you can see download your video, where you have disabled the option below download your video. Now if you upload any video on Instagram, people will not be able to download it. In this way you can stop downloading your video from Instagram. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.